What's the difference between a home inspection and a roof inspection? Hi, I'm James, and I'm the Director of Operations with Van Martin. This is a question we get a lot. If I already had a home inspection, why do I need a roof inspection too? The truth is, they're not the same, and here's why that matters. A lot of homeowners assume a home inspection and a roof inspection are basically the same thing, but they're actually very different. Let's start with a home inspection. A home inspector's job is to look at the entire house. The structure, the foundation, plumbing, electrical systems, HVAC, and the roof. But they look at everything at a surface level. Home inspectors are generalists. They're trained to identify visible issues, like a leak, stain on the ceiling, or missing shingles, and then recommend calling a specialist to take a closer look. Their main goal is to help buyers and sellers get an overall snapshot of the home's condition. Now, a roof inspection goes much deeper. It's all about detail. Our focus is on the specific health of your roofing system, and we look at things that a general home inspection simply can't catch. Here's what a full roofing inspection includes. 1. Shingle condition. We check for cracking, curling, missing shingles, or granule loss, those little sand-like particles that protect your shingles from UV damage. 2. Flashing. Flashing is the thin metal that seals areas where your roof meets walls, chimneys, or skylights. If it's bent, rusted, or missing, it's a major leak risk, but it's something home inspectors usually can't see from the ground. 3. Ventilation and insulation. Proper attic ventilation is one of the most overlooked parts of roof health. Without it, heat and moisture build up under your shingles, shortening their lifespan and leading to mold or rot in the decking. Number 4. Roof decking. This is the wooden base beneath the shingles. We check it for soft spots, water damage, and sagging, all signs that it may need repair, before a new roof can be installed. At Van Martin, we don't just glance at your roof, we diagnose it. We climb up, check the attic, take detailed photos, and then walk you through everything we find. You'll know exactly what's working, what's wearing out, what can wait, all in plain language. That's the difference between a general checkup and a specialized diagnosis. A home inspection can tell you something might be wrong. A roof inspection tells you what is wrong and how to fix it. If you've had a home inspection but never a detailed roof inspection, click the link in our bio to schedule one for free. We'll show you exactly how your roof's doing. No guessing and no pressure.